Hey everyone, it's Sigway here. Today I'm gonna teach you guys on how to cook a mashed sweet potato in a few simple steps, which is a very delicious food and definitely everyone will like it. So let's get started. These are the ingredients you need to prepare beforehand, and my ingredient which I'm prepared right now is for 5 servings, 5 sweet potato. So the sweet potato can come with different shape and sizes. The sweet potato that I'm using today is a local planted sweet potato with yellow and purple in color, and I'm gonna mix it together later on. Nevertheless, the health benefit of both these sweet potato are the same, which is able to improve our digestive system because sweet potato contains fiber, which is really good for our guts. Secondly, sweet potato also contains antioxidants, which is a cancer-fighting property, and also vitamin A to improve our visions. Then the ingredient follow up by 3/4 cups of milk, which later on I'm gonna pour it inside a cup. 3 to 4 tablespoons of salted butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey and brown sugars, salt, and lastly, ground peppers. find my video very interesting. If you like my video, please keep like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, please leave it at the comment section below. If you want to know more about this channel, you can go through a list of videos which we have provided. So that's all from me. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.